Hello everyone, this is Joanna and I just wanted to come back tonight. I think I made my first video earlier today, but I had a few items that I actually forgot and left off. When I placed my Sephora order, the other thing that I also ordered was this Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup in 24 Golden. And I got this because I had a sample and I did really like it, but years ago they made the Stay True line in a bottle. And the shade that was perfect for me was called Stay True Honey. And I used that foundation with my Estee Lauder 5-6 Transparency Powder, which that powder is now Transparency 5. So I kind of hate when things change. But I also, with my Sephora order, I got this lip tar. And this is the Black Metal Dahlia. And I've already been in this. I didn't get any of the clear gloss that they recommend that you get with this. And I did put it on. I didn't have any problem. But it's very, very, very pigmented. And I'm probably going to make a mess on my hand here. But I do want to show you this color was absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to try to put this where you can see it. But I love this. I saw this, I think Queen of Blending had this on. So I haven't quite learned how to use it without the messiness thus far. But this color to me is absolutely gorgeous. And again, I got the shade Black Metal Dahlia. And I don't know if you can see that. I just love this. I just love it, love it, love it. I do have, I think, one of my Kat Von D shades is very, very similar to that. So I don't know how I'm going to store that yet, but I thought that was very pretty. Also, I got samples, so I chose, no, this one was because of my points. I think 250 points. And you got a small, I think this is Victor Rolf, I'm probably not saying that right, Flower Bomb. And this smells kind of good. It kind of smells like my cashmere candle over there that I have by Glade. But I do like this. I will not purchase a bigger one, since even though I have perfumes, I'm not that crazy about perfumes. I tend to get bored with scents. And so once I use something, I don't like it anymore. So these samples do me just fine. And this is a real sample of candy. I had the one from Prada. I got the Prada candy sample from Sephora. And the lady that made it didn't spray very good, so this is a better sample. I didn't like this, and I still kind of don't, but I don't hate it either. I think I will use that in the winter time, but it's not something that I was that crazy about. Also, I thought they were going to give me a little tube of lipstick like they did with the Catfight, but they gave me this instead. So I have been in this, and I have used the color Naked. But I took that really dark Maybelline gloss, I think it's Purple Royale, and I put this on like you would. I wasn't crazy about the color on me. And I put that Purple Royale, I just dotted some of that Purple Royale lip gloss on top of this, and I love the effect that it gave. That's why I'm always telling people don't throw away any lipsticks or lip glosses or, whatever that they think is too light or too bright or too dark, because you can always mix something else with it. The other thing I got in the mail was my striping tape, so when my nails get just a little bit more length, I'm going to come on here and do that look that I said I got out of the Nail It magazine. This was 10 of these, and this one I have out because I plan to try to work with it. There's white, gold, silver. There's not a black, though. I would like a black. There wasn't a red. I couldn't find anything with that. And the last and final thing that I purchased was this palette. And this one is the single palette. Now, now on the MAC website, these are $8. This is the one that you can see through the new one. And I have to get an insert to go in it. That will be $2. But, unfortunately, I got my first MAC palette here for $25. And I think the insert was like $9 or $10. But when I get a couple of more blushes in here and fill up one of these rows, I plan to put those in this clear one. And then I am going to be ordering another one of these little $2 inserts now that they're $2 because mine was not. Mine was like $9.99 and $25. But when I get another one of those inserts, I'm going to put that where the blush is. So I'm going to carry on probably moving this and continue putting my nudes and browns in there. And in this cranberry shade, I'll move it to the colors. The only thing in MAC that I think I like is a lot of their popular nude shades, and that is what I am collecting here. But I do like this cranberry. So other than one of their purple shades and maybe their fresh water shade and their green shade, I'll have mostly neutrals. I do plan on getting some colors like the vanilla, the Dazzle Light, the Amber Lights, but most of these are the ones that I hear about here on YouTube. A lot of their popular neutrals and browns. So, and then I have Handwritten. I forgot that I purchased Handwritten and that I showed it on here, but I had to get it in the regular pan because they didn't have it like this. And since I don't want to try to depot anything, since I don't think that would work out for me, I won't do that. But now this same thing that I paid $25 for is $8. Yes. Both palettes are $8 and the inserts are $2. And I think that's permanent. I heard someone say that. I guess they wanted them to drop some of their makeup and they didn't, so they dropped the palettes instead. But I do remember when I first ordered the single pan eyeshadows for these, they were $12 and now they're $10, so that's not bad. But that was it. I just wanted to share that last part of that. And then this right here is so pretty. But that was it. Everyone have a great night, and until the next time.